Okay, so today I have Nintendo DS here. Unfortunately, the screen is broken because I think it's a polarizer problem. So I bought new polarizer here. It's a 24-inch for 45 degrees polarizer. It is polarizer for laptop and TV. Okay, but I need to try this polarizer to fix my Nintendo DS Lite here. This worked perfectly fine, but I have left it in my drawer for 2 years. Like, yeah, it's already have alpha card here. Okay, this before conditional. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so first thing first, we need to power off here. Okay, it's power off. And I unscrew this and pull out this stylet here. Okay, so but first let's try if this polarizer work. Okay, I will take this polarizer out here. Okay, as you can see, if I put here, the color change to blue, but here it's color change to yellow. Okay, it's so bad. I think it's some kind of different. Okay, reverse it. Okay, it's work kind of blue. Okay, blue in my laptop. This angle. Okay, so I remove the screwdriver and back shell. Let's remove the motherboard. First, remove the antenna from Wi-Fi card. Yeah, uninstall Wi-Fi card. Remove this guy here, and this guy here is a trigger button, and use this to remove microphone jack. Okay, so let's pull this Wi-Fi antenna through the card slot. Okay, and remove this two screw. Okay, after remove two screw here, be carefully line up the motherboard using hand. Open the lid. Okay, open the lid and gently use your hand, pull the digitizer out here. Be careful because this might be a okay. Detach the cable from the top LCD screen. Now detach this ribbon cable. Okay, it's hard. After detach detects this two little guy here and here. Now the motherboard is free and we have button screen here. Let's use this razor to pull out this this polarizer film here. Let's pull out this. You can see I pull out this using razor blade. Pull out this old polarizer. Okay, I will be back if I remove. Okay, can you see it? The screen look amazing. The line is horizontal. I saw a video on YouTube and I pull the screen back and I remove the digitizer. Hope this digitizer is not dead. See? Yeah, it's not damaged. Let's work again. Power on again. Yeah, the color looks good. Okay, so battery, I use rubber band to implement this battery. So if wrong orientation is picture so not great. Okay, so let's clean the screen. Okay, the screen looks so clean. Okay, so I need to cut the piece to fit and adhere to the screen. Okay, adhere to the screen. Okay, so I cut a little bit here. Let's put this together. Okay, so I adhesive this sheet to the screen, but it looks perfectly fine. You need to remove this screen protectors before implement this digitizer. Yeah, before I implement the digitizer, just clean it. This looks perfectly good. Okay, so let's do another with this shit. Okay, after I install digitizer and a screen, new polarizers, it look fine, totally fine, but I did broken the speaker, but I don't have iron solder here. Okay, not gonna lie, it's very bad. Only one speaker, but I think it's just good. Let's open up. Screen is very clean and nice, and touch works together very fine. Let's use R4 card. Okay, I put the R4 card for testing some game. See if this works. Oh, it loose digitizer. Okay, so I put the digitizer in and it's work. some bubble. I will not remind that. I will clean it later. Some shit. Okay, it's look good. Works like charm. That is here. I can assist. Okay, let's set some game. No, why it's not work? I was going down left button. Okay. All right. This is caused by dead pixels, and I think it's a back polarizer or some kind of this, but it's worked fine. Very nice. Yeah, screen look good. I can move around. Okay, let's reassemble. Okay, I put it back together and it's worked like charm. You see? Okay, something missing. First, the ribbon. I think I will cell swap later. Let's try this card. Touch working. Restart. Some bubble here because I don't have a tool to remove the bubble. Okay, let's do some game test. Pokemon. Yeah, it's worked. Screen is brighter. Okay. This is so good. Now it's fixed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Okay.